Okay, so first I got to clean up all the nails that were from my last project that I didn't get cleaned up. I have an issue with getting things finished when I'm actually done, or putting things up when I'm actually done. And I'm doing all this on my $5 patio table that has turned into my painting station. Then I'm gonna get this thing scraped with my 25-cent scraper that I got at a garage sale. So I was super happy about that. And it even has a thing so that you can use it up high. I've had this door for, well, I don't know how long I've had the door, but, well, yeah. So this door has been painted like this for 10 years. So I think the paint held pretty good. So in case you're wondering why I am doing this with a dust broom, you can see in the background right here the remnants of Poopageddon 2024. That's the Memorial Day version. The 4th of July version, we got smarter and didn't use all those towels, but I still haven't got it cleaned up because I'm just dreading cleaning it up, to be perfectly honest. So I'm just letting the sun, you know, it's been there 8 weeks, so you know, the sun's sterilizing it. Let's just put it that way. The sun is sterilizing it. That's what we're doing. So in case you're wondering, why am I doing this without sucking it up with the shop vac? Because the shop vac has not been cleaned from Poopageddon July 2024 version yet. So I want to get this done, and I am going to do that later, but I really need to get this sprayed today. I have to get it done. So that's why I'm doing it with the dustpan. I do believe this is the end of the road for this primer. So guess I won't be priming it. Let's go see what I have for primer. Okay, I got my spray paint. Now, I'll be honest, I have not been impressed with Rust-Oleum lately, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a chance because this is all I have in my town, so. Okay, gonna give that 15 minutes and then we're gonna put the second coat on. So here's a little Tara trivia. This is the first gnome I ever bought, 1992. I think I paid $20 for him, and I was horrified because that was about, I think I paid $40 for my monthly grocery budget at that point. But I have had him for 32 years and I still absolutely love him. Okay, so I've had this bench for, let's see, I got it in Colorado, so for 10 or 12 years. Absolutely love this bench and was thinking about staining it or painting it or something, but you know what? I just like the rustic look. So I just washed it down, got it cleaned up, got all the leaves and stuff out of there, and I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Is that not the most beautiful colored petunia you've ever seen? And I really did not intentionally match the spray paint to that petunia because I bought this spray paint way before this bloomed. Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Here is my broken fountain. I just have it sitting in here for decoration. Gnome dude. And my other gnome dude. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Think outside the box for your gardening containers. I got this really cool 1950s cooler for $3 at a garage sale. I'm going to use it as a planter, just like this one that I think I got for, I think I paid $2 for this one. And this one that I paid $3 for. So I think I'm going to start a vintage cooler planter collection. Wouldn't that be cute? I absolutely love watering cans, and this one was 50 cents. Now, the bottom is rusted out, so it's going to be used as a planter instead of a watering can, but that's okay. I just have to keep adding to my watering can collection. Here's a way I upcycle in the garden. This is an old, I have no idea how old, probably 1920s, 30s, roasting pan. Thought it was cool, so I'm going to use this to organize my drip irrigation. I got this Martha Stewart planter for free at a yard sale. So what I'm going to do is I have some of these pots from my planters, and I'm going to fill these down here, and I just set them all around like so, just like that. That fills it in, and then I don't have so much soil that I have to put in there. It makes it lighter weight. You can use packing peanuts, which I don't know, do they even make packing peanuts anymore? You can use bigger pots. This is one that I had before. You could even use a pot, any pot, if I needed to. Okay, so they're all situated in there. Now I am going to fill my pot with my potting soil. Now, what this does is you can put like a layer of landscape fabric on top of these, but because this plant is drying out so much, I want this to hold as much water as possible. So I'm making kind of my own wicking, planter. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Okay, so just so you can see, I popped off the little thing. It just pops in there, and I just pulled it off. Some of them hook on the top and down here, but most of them just come off. And then my plants just fall out, just like so. I didn't get all the and then pull out the little thing, your roots. If your roots are all tangled, pull them apart just like this. All right, so now we got it set in there. See how I have it set in there? Then I'm gonna fill it with soil. Ooh. That will hold the water. By the way, isn't this the coolest scoop? I got this for $1 at a yard sale too. And you just push your soil around in. All right, outplanted. Let's go see what it looks like. That is so much better. Wow. When you replant stuff like this, don't fill it clear to the top. You want your water to be able to pool in here and kind of go around the edges so they can soak in gradually instead of just, oh my goodness, there's a plane like right above my house. so that the water can pool and gradually soak in there and get it all soaked in really well. I have my chive patch here, and as I was fixing my drip irrigation, I noticed, ta-da, my chives are going to seed. Now, you see that great big long, and it goes over here, and then it goes clear over there. So I have all of this, and all of this that I want to plant with flowers. What you may not know, chives have a very beautiful purple flower in the spring. So I'm saving all these seeds, and right here I have a tote lid. Now watch this. I am just going to just take all the flowers. You see all of the seeds? They look like little mouse turds. Yeah, but that's okay. And while I'm in here, I'm going to prune them anyway. And there's a lovely earwig that keeps eating all my zinnias. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry for, I don't know, 24 hours in the garage, and then I'll put them in a bag to save till next year.
Your performance as a wife today has been adequate.
Thank you, I appreciate that. That stellar, what do you call it? Kudos there.
Do you know what show that's from, guys? Post in the comments.